Welcome back. You're in the PolitBureau, and it's time for Spinners and Spanners, the lighter side of South African politics. After Pastor Alph LUKAU appeared in a viral video resurrecting a dead man, Pastor Mboro took to the streets outside Alleluia ministries to demand a stop to wild stunts that take advantage of South Africa's gullible faithful.
Man is commanding life.
Rise up! Yes! Come on! Come on!
This man, because they compete with his others, Bushiri people died there. All of a sudden, he raises the dead. So he's saying to the people, as that one is attacked, come to me. Me, I'm better one with this. Let's not come with gimmicks. I'm here to say, Pastor, stop fooling people. Stop lying in the name of God.
Fire, fire, fire! The politics of charismatic religion. The PolitBureau is now adjourned.